Hi guys, it's me again, Miss Valerie Rivas. I am the CEO and founder of Royale Classy Creations, where we create customized classy designs that showcase our clients' individual style, leaving our guests astounded. I am coming to you today not with a regular DIY tutorial, and the reason why is because my grandson is being discharged from the hospital and we are super excited. So we are literally rolling out the red carpet for him. Yes, we are. And if you knew our family and knew the circumstances behind the excitement, you would be excited too. I would love to get into all of that, but I have so much to do in such a little time. I will maybe another time we will get into that. I will let you guys know what's going on. But I am going to be doing some very small pieces just for this event that is going to be happening just in a couple of days. So, and then I'll also at some point maybe I'll have the video of everything once we get everything set up and get that posted for you guys. If not, I'll at least do some pictures to let you know how we set that up. And maybe I'll show a picture of my grandson so you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so stay tuned, guys, and I hope you enjoy what you see. So the first thing I'm going to be working on is this stand that I am going to be putting a pillow on and placing the crown on top, because this is a royal baby party that we're doing. So with that, I'm going to have these two picture frames, and they are the 11 by 14. And what I'm going to do is place them on top of each other with the back sides together. So I'm going to put those together. And you can use a generous amount of glue on this, because I'm going to be painting this, spray painting this gold. So and you don't have to be perfect with the glue, just get it on there. So just apply some pressure to that so you can make sure that that sticks really good. So then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my candle holders, and they're going to go in each corner here. And again, guys, this does not have to be perfect because you are going to be painting this. So you can be as generous as you like with the glue. And this video is going to be kind of all over the place because I have several projects that I'm trying to get done. So I'm going to try to include you all in each one of the projects that I'm working on. And I think my glass just broke. Yeah, the glass just cracked a little bit. So that goes to show you, you should not apply too much pressure. So that's the stand. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to spray paint this, and then I'm going to come back and we're going to work on some other stuff while this is drying, okay? Okay, so now the next project that I'm going to work on while my stand is drying, I've got that all spray painted and everything. The next project is going to be these blocks, and I got these square picture frames from the Dollar Tree. They are they just have these different sizes in them. So they're the square ones at the Dollar Tree. Now you have to be careful because some of the squares are not the same size. When you put them together, you can actually tell that some are a little bigger than the others. Even though they say the same thing, they're not the same size. So you have to check that out. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take all the glasses out, which I've already gotten started on that. So I'm taking all the glasses out so that I can take the frames and I'm going to spray paint those metallic gold as well. And then what I'll be doing is I printed out these letters. So my grandson's name is DJ. So I printed out these letters, and then I printed out this crown because that's going to go in the third block. So I'm going to have 3 blocks, and they're going to be sitting on the table, and then the crown will be sitting on top of the DJ. So I'm going to get started with cutting these out, and then getting my picture frames together, and then I'll come back and I'll let you guys see what I've done. Okay guys, so here is my stand. It's all dried. And this is basically going to be the stand where the pillow sits, and then the crown is going to sit on top of that. So what I'm going to do is to get rid of this and to make it look a little nicer, I'm going to use my bling wrap, and I'm going to wrap that around, and then it's going to turn out to be really nice, really elegant, and really royale. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. But I want to show you these cutouts that I did. I don't know if you can see this. So these are the cutouts that I did. And I didn't get a chance to show you guys, but I found some bags at Dollar Tree. And I took the bags and I cut the bags out with the stencils that I made, that I showed you guys. I cut the bags out, and then I used foam board, which is also something you can find at the Dollar Tree. And I took the stencil and cut it out, and then I put the cutout on the foam board. So these will be really nice and sturdy once they go inside the cube. So I'm going to go ahead. As you can tell, I'm really tired. This took a lot of work, guys. It took a lot of work. Had I had more time, I probably would have just gone out and purchased these from maybe Michael's or somewhere, and just added the embellishments that I wanted to add to it. But since I don't have that much time, and I'm trying to get this done as quickly as possible, I just went ahead and did it myself. So I got that done, and then, like I said, there's going to be a lot in this video, so bear with me. So I also have the frames painted, and I'm going to start putting the glass back in these, and then I'm going to start putting my boxes together. So I'm going to go ahead, put the bling wrap on this. I'll come back and show you this, and then we'll start working on those frames and those cubes, okay? So here you go, guys. I have put my bling wrap on here, made it look real nice. And then I made my pillow, and it's pretty much just fabric, and these are beads that I got from the Dollar Tree. I found this crown at the Party City. It's a party store here, and it had happy birthday on it, and it's in blue, so I just covered it up with some bling wrap. So that's that. And then I'm gonna move this because okay, and I've started on my boxes. So here's one of the boxes. Okay, so and this is just the frames that I previously spoke about. I just glued them together, and then I glued my crown in the middle there. And I think you can see that. So I don't have a whole lot of time in this video to kind of go through the whole process of putting the box together, but I'm going to get everything together, and then I'll come back and show you guys.